everyone. I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Platinum Top Reviews. Guys, in this video, we'll talk about this website and find out whether it is legit or a scam. Also, this website is not ours and the review is completely unbiased. Guys, I have done a thorough research on this website so that I can come up with an exact verdict and you can make the right buying decision. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. As you can see, its homepage, guys, it is beautifully crafted. The website is selling women apparel. You can see some images on the homepage, but guys, the images look a bit flattened. Also guys, by looking at the homepage, you cannot exactly find out what kind of products the website is actually selling. So let's have a look at the menu option. Some of the products are classified here like beauty gifts, hair accessories, home gifts, petaties. Let's have a look at home gifts. You can see variety of gift items, home decors, spoons, towel, mugs, candles. Let's see beauty gifts. Okay, these are the beauty gifts options like hair brushes, then hair mask, antioxidant mask, peel off masks. But guys, before making any buying decision, you should look for the website thoroughly. We will study about the website and look at its About Us page first. Now guys, as you can see the About Us page, they have mentioned that the website is selling furniture, home entertainment accessories, cleaning, storage, garden furniture, but no such categories are mentioned in the menu option and the home page. Plus, they haven't mentioned that the website is selling any kind of women apparel, but they have displayed the apparels in the home page. This is the biggest loophole of the website, that its About Us information is contradicting with the product displayed. Guys, as you can see below, there are some social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, but when you click this button, you can see you will come back to the home page. All these icons are redirecting the page to the home page, which means that the website does not have any social media page active. Let's find out the contact information, guys. Now you can see that the website has its email address, office address and telephone number as well. But guys, according to my research, this office address is fake and it belongs to any advertising agency. So guys, if you have bought anything from this website, please share your experience with us and let other people know more about this website. Let's find out one more option. Let's have a look at the shipping policy. Guys, they are following a very simple shipping policy and not much information is mentioned. The delivery is generally 3 to 5 days. Also guys, this website is of UK, plus everything is the address, mainline address, all belongs to UK, but the address given on the website is of USA. So this also states that the website can be suspicious. Guys, according to me, this website can be a scam because no customer reviews or Google reviews are available on the website. Also, it is a recently registered website, guys. So according to me, you should not buy anything from this website, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share your experience with us on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel so that we can come up with more website reviews for your help. Thank you guys and have a nice day.